والسلام على سيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الدين عند الله الإسلام آمنت بالله صدق الله العظيم जिसने सूरज की शुआओं को गिरफ्तार किया जिंदगी की शबे तारीख सहर कर न सका अपनी हिकमत के खमो पेच में ऐसा उलझा आज तक फैसले नफ़ो ज़रर कर न सका। Respected teachers and my dear friends, I wish you all by the greetings of Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I got a special honor to speak on Islam counters terrorism on this beautiful occasion of Mufti Azam Hind alayhi rahmatu wa rizwan in this wide ground of Aljamiatul Ashrafia, which is one of the biggest center and renowned for Islamic education in Asia and worldwide. Before I start my topic, I would like to translate the verse of the Holy Quran what I read. Verily, only Islam is the religion before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The topic which I have chosen has become a burning issue of this time. This subject is not only for Muslims, it's for all mankind. And it's not a new thing that we are participating now in the movements, events, programs which are occurring against terrorism. Rather, we have an old history of struggle to counter terrorism. And I surprised enough that terrorism is attributed to Islam, where it is the religion of peace and mercy. The word Islam is derived from the word salam, which means peace. A person following Islam will find that he or she is surrounded by noble teachings, the aim of which is to establish peace between man and between man and the rest of Allah's creation. Then what does the word terrorist mean? Dictionaries will define a terrorist as one who systematically uses violence and intimidation to achieve political ends, and one who controls or forces others to do something by fear or threat. All these definitions are covered by the two words in the Holy Quran, that is fitna and ikra. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala begins to deal with the issue of terrorism by describing terrorism in the very first place. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, al-fitnatu ashaddu min al-qatl, meaning in the sight of Allah, persecution or making people constantly fear for their lives is much worse than killing. And in other words, la ikraha fid din, there shall be no compulsion in religion. That is to say that no one has the right to impose their demands on others or to compelling others to follow their line of thinking. My dear audience, in light of these and other Islamic texts, an act of inciting terror in the hearts of defenseless civilians, the wholesale destruction of buildings and properties, bombing and maiming of innocent men, women and children are all forbidden and detestable acts according to Islam and Muslims. If an individual were to commit an act of terrorism, this person would be guilty of violating the laws of Islam. And Muslims are even encouraged to be kind to animals. Prophet Muhammad said, a woman was punished because she imprisoned a cat until it died. On account of this, she was doomed to hell. Prophet Muhammad also said, a man gave a very thirsty dog a drink. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave his sins for this action. Companions asked, O Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, are we rewarded for kindness towards animals? Prophet Muhammad replied, there is a reward for kindness towards every living animal or human. Additionally, while slaughtering an animal, Muslims are commanded to do so in a manner that causes least amount of suffering possible. Prophet Muhammad said, when you slaughter an animal, you should do in a way that is, one must properly sharpen his knife to reduce the suffering of the animal. Now you can imagine, in a view of Islam, if animals are so respected, how much will be the respect for humans? My dear brothers, whenever Prophet Muhammad sent a caravan, he used to warn him that don't lift hands on a child, don't lift hands on old people, don't lift hands on a women, don't bash a people who are worshipping in temples or in churches, neither cut down the trees nor plants of that society.
believe, those who leave the sword, the one who raise the sword can answer him. This is Islam's civilization. This is Islam's behavior. Let's watch the Islam by its essence. As it is surrounded by how many walls of peace, Islam has the fashion of greeting by saying, Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Name of the Creator, As-Salam. Name of the book of Islam, Kitabul Salam, the book of peace. Name of the Prophet of Islam, Rasul Salam, the Prophet of peace. Name of the paradise of Islam, Darus Salam, the paradise of peace. Name of the servant of Islam, Abdul Salam, the servant of peace. The one who recites the prayer 5 times a day. Allahumma antas salam, wa minkas salam, wa ilayka yarji'u salam, hayyana rabbana bis salam, wa adkhilna al-jannata dar salam. And he would be a terrorist? Can he would be a tyrant? Can he would be a cruel? I must conclude by saying that whether peace or war, an act of terrorism is not only condemned but are pointedly declared as alien to the teachings of Islam and Muslims, which is in fact peace through the submission to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Only through conformity to divine laws we can hope to achieve the ideal of a secure world free of terrorism.